So, you want to know how to link your IPS account to your bank? I got you. Linking your IPS instant payment system account to your bank generally involves a secure process within your banking application or the IPS platform itself. First, log into your online banking portal or mobile banking app. Look for an optional related link external account, add a beneficiary, or specifically IPS. You might need a provider for your IPS account details, which typically include an unique IPS ID or a linked mobile number or email. Some system might initiate a small verification deposit to your account, which you then need to confirm back in the IPS platform to prove ownership. Alternatively, within your IPS application, there should be an option to link bank account. Here, you select your bank and input your bank account number and other required details such as your IBAN. The system will then perform a verification, often by sending a small transaction or requiring you to confirm a code. Always ensure you are using official apps or websites to protect your financial information. The exact steps can vary slightly depending on your specific bank IPS provider. And that's it.